click on and it'll comb my hair when you got your phone in yours. That ain't right. It's not. Smoke shop, you figure?
I go to the smoke shop to get pops. And it's so funny because in California. So I am so excited. We're going over to past the pool where things are finally popping up. There's the rosemary. Oh, look! I see, look. Oh, he needs more water. Look, look at all of these. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these. We're sitting up here with a microscope. Look.
Isn't that amazing?
I thought I saw this. All of these over here. And all of
Good little green babies.
I got 3 old people looking for little buds.
That's okay. And you can see them when you stand back over here.
Okay.
So the basil likes.
Oh, it likes the heat.
It loves the heat.
Let's see about these tomatoes.
Yes.
Now they'll grow.
They need to be divided. Let's go walk back here and see what happens. One nub. Oh, this is exciting. This is better than an afternoon nap before the game. Okay. Now we're going back. La, 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 la. The celery is growing. And we made a trellis out of a pine branch. I'm sorry, a palm branch. And I planted sugar baby watermelons right over here. There are cantaloupes here. Back there is ginger. Lots of garlic around the entire perimeter of this 100-gallon grow bag. There are zinnias all in the front. Yes. And then there's garlic in here and zinnias because, as Sissy said, we're going to have to subdivide all those little plants. And there is a resemblance of the truck I drove cross country when I came to live with them before. La 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 la.
It's probably that kind of shape too.
Yeah, the truck was about that kind of shape when I got out of it. All right, talk to you later.